Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're excited to dive into the top 5 best VCR players of 2025. Whether you're a collector, a retro entertainment enthusiast, or simply looking to relive the golden age of VHS, we've got you covered. Our expert reviews break down the top VCR players based on performance, durability, and playback quality, ensuring you get the best option for your needs. We also share tips on VHS maintenance and compatibility to help you preserve your collection. For more information and update pricing, check the link in the description below, like and comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the latest updates. Let's get started. Number 5. The Sony SLV-D380P is a DVD/VCR combo player that allows seamless playback of both VHS tapes and DVDs. It features progressive scan DVD playback, a 4-head hi-fi stereo VCR, and multi-format compatibility for versatile entertainment. With auto-tracking, line-in recording, and multiple output options, it's a great choice for preserving VHS collections while enjoying DVD quality. This DVD/VCR combo delivers clear DVD playback with progressive scan and standard VHS quality with hi-fi stereo sound. It features a 4-head VCR for smooth tracking, multi-format DVD support, and auto-tracking for better VHS playback. The line-in recording function allows copying from external sources to VHS, making it ideal for preserving old recordings. The user-friendly design makes it a convenient choice for those who want both DVD and VHS playback in one device, with easy setup and operation for hassle-free entertainment, reliable performance, and enhanced viewing experience. The remote control is ergonomically designed with well-placed buttons for easy navigation of DVD and VCR functions. It includes playback controls, a recording button, and menu access. This DVD/VCR combo is a versatile and reliable choice for those who want both DVD and VHS playback in one device. With smooth performance, easy controls, and quality playback, it ensures a seamless experience. Its durable build and useful features make it a great addition to any home setup. Number 4. The Funai ZV427FX4 is a VCR/DVD recorder combo, offers 1080p upscaling via HDMI for improved DVD quality and two-way dubbing for easy VHS to DVD conversion. With progressive scan playback and a 4-head hi-fi stereo VCR, it ensures smooth performance and clear audio. This VCR/DVD recorder combo delivers sharp DVD playback with 1080p upscaling and clear VHS performance with a 4-head stereo VCR. It features two-way dubbing for VHS to DVD conversion and HDMI output. With its user-friendly design and reliability, it's great for preserving memories. Number 3. The Sanyo VWM-900 VCR is a 4-head hi-fi stereo VCR that delivers smooth playback and clear audio for VHS tapes. It features auto-tracking, VCR++ for easy recording, and multiple input-output options for flexible connectivity. With its reliable performance and user-friendly controls, it's a solid choice for enjoying and preserving VHS collections. This 4-head hi-fi stereo VCR offers smooth video playback with clear visuals and crisp audio. It features auto-tracking for stable picture quality, VCR++ for easy recording, and multiple input-output options for compatibility. The slow-motion and frame-by-frame playback enhance the viewing experience, while the one-touch recording function makes capturing content effortless. Ideal for watching, recording, and preserving VHS tapes, it delivers a durable build, simple controls, and reliable performance, making it a great choice for VHS enthusiasts. Number 2. The Toshiba W-528 VCR is a 4-head hi-fi stereo VCR designed for smooth playback and high-quality audio. It features auto-tracking for clear picture stability, VCR++ for easy recording, and multiple input-output options for flexible connectivity. With its durable build, user-friendly controls, and reliable performance, it's a great choice for enjoying and preserving VHS tapes. This 4-head hi-fi stereo VCR delivers smooth playback with sharp visuals and clear, dynamic audio. It features auto-tracking for stable picture quality, VCR++ for hassle-free recording, and multiple input-output options for easy connectivity. The slow-motion and frame-by-frame playback enhance viewing precision, while the one-touch recording function ensures quick and simple recording. With its durable build and user-friendly controls, It's a reliable choice for preserving and enjoying VHS collections. The remote control is ergonomically designed with well-placed buttons for easy playback and recording. It includes dedicated VCR controls and auto-tracking adjustment for smooth operation. This VCR is perfect for those who want to relive classic VHS memories with smooth playback and clear audio. Its user-friendly design, auto-tracking, and easy recording features make it a hassle-free choice. The multiple input-output options ensure compatibility with various devices, while the slow-motion and frame-by-frame playback enhance the viewing experience. With durable construction, reliable performance, and high-quality visuals, it's a great addition for any VHS enthusiast. Number 1. The Panasonic PV-8450 VCR is a 4-head hi-fi stereo VCR designed for smooth playback and high-quality audio. It features auto-tracking for clear picture stability, VCR++ for easy recording, and multiple input-output options for flexible connectivity. With its durable build, user-friendly controls, and reliable performance, it's an excellent choice for preserving and enjoying VHS tapes. This 4-head hi-fi stereo VCR delivers sharp visuals and crisp audio for an enhanced VHS experience. It features auto-tracking for a stable picture, VCR++ for quick and easy recording, and multiple input-output options for seamless connectivity. The slow-motion and frame-by-frame playback allow precise viewing, while the one-touch recording function makes capturing content effortless. Its commercial skip feature lets you bypass ads for uninterrupted viewing, and the auto head cleaner helps maintain playback quality over time. With long play and extended play modes, you can maximize recording time without compromising quality. Ideal for watching, recording, and preserving VHS tapes, it offers a durable build, smooth performance, and user-friendly controls, making it a great choice for VHS enthusiasts. A true classic in home entertainment, it delivers smooth playback and reliable recording with remarkable clarity. Its sturdy build and user-friendly design make it a timeless choice for everyday use. Even after years, it still stands out as a dependable companion for preserving and enjoying memories. It offers excellent tape handling that keeps your recordings safe and secure. The picture quality remains sharp, while the sound is rich and clear for an immersive experience. With simple controls and durable performance, it perfectly blends nostalgia with lasting reliability. Its design reflects both practicality and durability, making it a trusted household essential. A true blend of performance and longevity, it continues to be cherished by video enthusiasts.